Hi, and welcome back. Now that we've learned about levers to use when you want to change an organization's culture, now that we've learned about the pitfalls to avoid when you want to run a change initiative, and also about 4 different forces that help us move towards the new way or that drag us to the old way of doing things, let's go and design our own change initiative. With regards to that, I want to introduce you to a tool called the V2MOM. That tool was invented at Salesforce, and to this day, within Salesforce, they basically use it for any type of initiative, be it product development or organizational change. The V2MOM is an acronym. It stands for Vision, Values, Methods, Obstacles, and Measures. You can immediately connect it to everything that we've learned about organizational change. Any great change initiative needs to have a vision. That vision of the change needs to be aligned with the organizational values. Then we need to think about what are the concrete methods we want to do and what kind of obstacles could block the view of that new vision. And ultimately, we have to consider and think about how are we going to measure that we're being successful. And that's what the V2MOM captures. So similar to many other tools, we have created a V2MOM canvas that helps you easily and collaboratively map out your organization's change journey. Ideally, you put that canvas either on a virtual whiteboard or on a real whiteboard, and then start collaboratively with your team members, with the people in charge of that organizational change, to populate the different boxes of the V2MOM. My recommendation is to always start with the vision. Why is this change important and what is it going to look like? Next, move to the values. How does this vision relate to our existing values? What kind of new values do we probably have to create? Next, look at the methods. What are the big things that we're going to start with? Is it a training initiative for our leaders? Is it a restructuring of a certain product initiative, moving to self-organized and cross-functional teams? Or is it a change in the policies that we have within our organization? After that, take a look and identify potential obstacles that could keep you from achieving that vision. Ideally, you immediately start to create methods that will address those obstacles head on. And finally, think about how are we going to measure that we're being successful. If it's about time to market, include time to market as a metric. And if you currently don't have any idea what your time to market is, you need to set a baseline. That could be one of your very first methods with regards to this change initiative. So whatever you want to achieve, put the appropriate metric in that particular box. Once you have created the V2MOM holistically, you can immediately start implementing it. But remember, similar to most other canvases, be it the business model canvas, be it the value proposition canvas, be it our product vision canvas, whatever, these things are living documents. So it's not set in stone. You need to constantly inspect and adapt on your change journey. In our next 2 videos, I will give you examples of how to apply the V2MOM in very different situations. And hopefully that will enable you to create your own change journey. See you there.